So guys, I know we got some dope Air Jordan 1s so far 2023, but I gotta reintroduce a pair of sneakers that I have for a minute. Let you guys know the best is still yet to come. Let's go ahead and talk about in today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. If you guys are new right now to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Like I said, we're gonna show you guys a pair of Jordan 1s. You probably already skipped through. You probably want to see exactly what we're talking about. But let's show you guys the colorway and all like good stuff. You don't know exactly what they are, man. So like I said, sub up, hit the notification bell, and leave a huge like ASAP Rocky for your boy. We're gonna jump into today's video. But 1 second, man, real quick, I want to put you guys on real quick, man. So this past weekend, we got, you know, the Air Jordan 1 low black toes, and we also got a pair of 13s that went definitely under radar for a lot of people. And I was even thinking these dropped before, I'm not too sure, but the Air Jordan 13 Wolf Grays just dropped this past weekend. If you guys not know, man, Outrank always has this covered with the best gear to go with those sneakers. So if you guys did purchase those Air Jordan 13 Wolf Grays, they got the perfect apparel to go with it. First things first, I want to show you guys the hat right here. Check it out. Super clean, super crispy Outrank on the front with the palm trees on the back. Snapback, super dope. You guys know I love the hats. I love the caps, and this goes perfect with those Air Jordan 13 Wolf Grays. You also got a clean, crispy shirt right here. Check it out with the same kind of, you know, palm tree effect on the back of the Outrank brand logo. And on the back, it says, "Let's rise together," with the nice palm trees in the back, man. Check it out. Super clean tee. Like I said, it goes perfect with those Air Jordan 13 Wolf Grays. They still currently sitting on the sneakers app. So if you guys do want to, you know, put a fit together, definitely check out Outrank brand. Just use my discount code TheVintage to save 10% off your entire order. I'm gonna link all that down below for you guys. Like I said, if you're interested in, you know, you guys want some apparel to go with some of these, you know, Jordan releases, Outrank brand's the way to go. Use my code TheVintage to save you that money, man. So yeah, guys, like I mentioned, we just got the Air Jordan 1 black toe release, and I said these probably is one of the best lows to drop in a very, very long time. You guys see I swapped them out with the white laces. Super, super clean. Got the big wings logo on the back. Just love these joints right here. Like, I was super, you know, anticipating this cop right here. And I even doubled up on these joints. You guys will see me doing unboxing here shortly. I'm gonna throw it out there right now. It's definitely got to, you know, chop up about it and tell you guys why you should definitely grab a pair now if you're still waiting, you're still on the fence. But check them out. Air Jordan 1 black toe, and we also got the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes. Now, it was a big discussion this summer, you know, which one is the best. You got the UNC toes, you got the black toes, which one you cop? And I know a lot of people didn't need both, but for me, I definitely needed both. I doubled up on these and also doubled up on the black toe low. So I should tell you how much I actually like, you know, both of these sneaker releases. But next month, we also got another crazy Air Jordan 1 drop, and it is the Air Jordan 1 Palominos, man. Check these beauties out right here, man. I've had these for a couple of months now, or maybe like a month and a half. Got these joints early from Drama the Manager. This is super, super crazy Air Jordan 1s. Put the box to the side. My box got totally damaged. I'm gonna put that out right now. Even though I already talked about it before, my box got, UPS just destroyed my box, bro. They just destroyed it. When I seen the package on my front porch, I already knew something was bad. Like, the box was halfway open. The box is all beat up, but you know, this is what your box should look like, but in a little bit better condition. You got the gold Nike up top, got the gold Nike on the side, and yeah, the official colorway is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black metallic gold, and Palomino, bro. So check that out right there, and just please disregard my beat up box, bro. But bam, man, like I said, the best Air Jordan 1 is still yet to come. These are releasing next month. Just a super nice colorway. It's like real subtle. You know what I'm saying? You don't got the loud blue, you don't got the loud red. You just get that nice subtle mocha Palomino brown on the major hits of the sneaker, and it kind of gave it that bread based, you know, color blocking. So you got the mocha on the toe box, you got the mocha on the heel, and you even got the nice mocha swoosh on these Jordan 1s. And I'm telling y'all, these joints are super, super nice. I know it's gonna do some type of numbers. Like, I know people gonna be mad they took an L on these joints, because I think it's gonna be one of them ones that people like, you know, nobody really wants them. I'm gonna wait on them. I'm gonna see what they do in a couple of days as far as resale. But I definitely think they're gonna be just like the UNC toes, where a lot more people were wanting to grab these than expected. Like, you know, we always come up on here on YouTube chop it up about certain releases. And some people say, oh, they trash, I don't need them. I got enough UNCs, or I got enough Mocha sneakers. And they've been the same people that go to the drop and double and triple up on these pairs to make it harder to get than expected, man. I definitely think these Palomino Air Jordan 1s will be in the same category as the UNC toes, man. Even me myself, bro, I'm gonna put myself on blast. Like I said, the UNC toes, I wasn't copping them. I said I had enough UNC colorways, and then next thing you know, I have 2 pairs. So same thing for these, bro. Like the last 3 are the ones that done dropped. I done doubled up on. Like I said, black toes I doubled up on. UNC toes I doubled up on. And I'm already knowing when these beauties drop, I'm definitely snagging another pair. I will be doing the review and on feet very, very shortly, maybe sometime this week, just so I can, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and put that out there so people can watch it up into the release date. But man, you got some crazy hits. You got gold on the tongue, man. So just super, super dope. I think these only came with 1 set of laces, no extra laces. But I'm pretty sure, I think white might look good in these, I'm not too sure. Maybe if you got some mocha laces or some pink laces, I don't know yet, but I know somebody, especially Jay, gonna just, you know what I'm saying, swap the laces out, and then I can kind of get a fair assessment of how I want to rock these Palominos. But for right now, all black is the way to go. But I'm thinking maybe some sail laces, but like I said, I'm not too sure yet, man. So this is a huge little topic that we was talking about a couple of weeks ago about these 3 sneakers. Like I said, we got the Palominos, we got the UNC toes, and the black toes. Which ones y'all rocking out with more? Which the best one to drop so far this year? I know it's up there as far as, and you gotta think about I think you got the black and white high 85s or the Georgetown, which one was it? I think it was the black and white high 85s. I know that's probably up there on a lot of people's radar. But as far as regular Jordan 1 goes, man, you gotta put the black toes in there. You gotta put the UNC toes in there, and especially the Palomino. So you guys go ahead and comment it down below right now. Which one you rocking out with the most? Me, I'm still going with the Palomino. It's just a beautiful, nice, subtle sneaker. But I want to see you guys' comments, you guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section, man. So if you guys do not know, these got pushed back a couple of times now. The official release date now is September the 2nd. And if you guys do not know, the Air Jordan 4 red cement just dropped via shock drop, and those dropped after these joints right here on September 9th. So I'm guessing, I'm assuming that we probably won't see a shock drop on the Palominos, just because we did get the shock drop for the Air Jordan 4 red cement. But you just never know, probably see it in exclusive access of some sort or something as far as these dropping early on the Nike sneakers. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, but a shock drop probably won't happen for these joints. Like I said, I'm gonna keep you guys updated and posted. Make sure you guys go follow my Twitter, ASAP Rocky, down below in the description box, man. I appreciate all the support, and thank you guys for tapping into another video. If you guys haven't already, subscribe right now. Don't miss out on any content by hitting that notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video. All my social media links will be down below in the description box, along with Outrank brand, where you guys can match some dope apparel with your Jordan pickups. Make sure you guys using my discount code Adventures to save you that 10% off. And yeah, with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.